You say hi.
Hi.
Oh, you spell your name. Again.
C-H-A-R-L-E-S.
Very good. Oh, you say, you tell them C for.
C for cat.
How about this one? H.
H for hat.
How about this one?
A is for apple.
Very good. How about this one? R for.
R for rabbit.
Next. L for.
L for lion.
How about E?
E for egg.
How about S?
S for sun.
Very good.
High five.
High five. I say hi. Bye, everyone.
Bye everyone.
You smile to them.
Over here and over here the house namin.
You smile na. Bye.
Bye.